We request all who are present and those who are joining us virtually to stand as we offer our prayer to be led by Engineer Salina.
Let us pray. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, amen. Lord God Almighty, Creator of the heavens and earth, we welcome you amongst us today and celebrate the gift of life that you have lavished upon each of us. We ask that you would open our ears so that we may hear your voice, open our minds so that we may receive your eternal wisdom, open our spirits that we may know your leading and guidance, and open our hearts so that we may receive your wonderful love. You have entrusted us as stewards of your creation. Please guide us. Please guide our hearts as we make decisions. We seek you first in all we do together. We give you our leaders, our stakeholders, and our workforce. May we be always mindful of their service. We confess that we are nothing without you, and our trust is you in you completely. We ask all this in the glorious name of Jesus. Amen. The Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit.
Thank you, Engineer Salina. Welcome everyone, hoping that it all finds us well. To all of us who are present and those who are joining us virtually through our YouTube channel, DPWH Cebu Brgy or Procurement Live Stream this afternoon, August 17, 2023. For the information of all, as per the memorandum dated June 1, 2023, issued by Arisa R. Medellin, Undersecretary for Support Services with the subject creation and setup of YouTube channels for the transparency in procurement activities are issued pursuant to the recent and fortunate termination of various DPWH Facebook pages, utilizing the platform of YouTube for the broadcasting of procurement activities. Under the roll call of the attendees of this conference, may we have Mr. B. Arceo, Bank Secretariat Member.
Good afternoon, everyone. For the benefit of those who might be joining us online to the YouTube channel of DPWH Cebu DO, as I call the name of the members of the BAC, kindly raise your hand for recognition. Assistant District Engineer Susan Norte Aroba, the BAC Chairman, good afternoon, ma'am. Engineer Risha A. Villegas, also the Chief of the Quality Assurance Section as BAC Vice Chairman. Mr. Julius Cesar Whitehead, the Chief of the Administrative Section for the regular BAC member. Engineer Jose F. Diloya, the Chief of the Planning and Design Section as the provisional BAC member for construction project. Engineer Teresita I. Descallar from the Planning and Design Section as head of the BAC Technical Working Group, together with her DWG members. Also with us, the presence of the OIC Procurement Engineer, the person of Engineer Evelyn A. Salinas, together with her BAC Secretariat members. Now I give the floor to Assistant District Engineer Susan Norte Aroba for her opening remarks. Thank you. Good afternoon.
Thank you, Mr. Arceo, for the call. Good afternoon and welcome everyone, and to those who are watching us via the YouTube channel of DPWH Cebu University live on today's previous conference of contract ID number 23-0083, construction of Farm to Main Road, Junction, National Highway, Caputatan, Norte, to Barangay Dalingding Sur, Junction, Mainline, National Highway, Barangay Panugnawan, Medellin, Cebu. Based on the attendance as per way by Mr. Arceo, there is a quorum among the BAC members as well as the NWG and BAC Secretariat as well as the presence of the OIC Procurement Unit.
There is a quorum. So in this moment, I would like to open the floor and hereby formally open the conduct of today's pre-bid conference of contract ID number 23-30083 as published in the invitation to bid number 19 and posted on the website of Philjeps. The PWH and was placed on this office from August 10 to 17, 2023. The conduct of this pre-bid conference is pursuant to Section 22 of the 2016 Implementing Rules and Regulations of RA 9184, otherwise known as the Government Procurement Reform Act, and its purpose is to discuss, clarify, and explain, among other things, the eligibility requirements and the technical and financial components of the contracts to be bid, including questions and clarifications raised by the prospective bidders before and during the pre-bid conference. Let us proceed for the presentation and discussion of the contractual vehicle projects subject for pre-bid.
Thank you, Ma'am Ade. For the project profile for this project, to be discussed by Mr. Kanyas and Engineer Cristian.
Contract ID number 23-0088, project name, construction of road, Junction, National Highway, Brgy, Caputatan, Norte, to Dalingding, Junction, Mainline, National Highway, Brgy, Panugnawan, Medellin, Cebu, funding source, FY 2023, 2023 R1196 regular, 2023 current, approved budget for the contract, 6,053,785, and for the two centavos dimension, 6.1 by 255 meters. Brief description of sustainable farm, real road, contract duration, 29 calendar days, category works, roads, construction, PCCP, license categories, 1 fee.
Summary of project is item number part 3, other general requirements, part C, earthworks, part D, sub-base and base course, part E, surface course, part G, relays and slope protection structures. Equipment requirements. Equipment is 1 unit of portable base sanitation tent, 2 units thermal scanner with rechargeable battery, 1 unit power sprayer with coated accessories, 1 unit barricade flasher light, 3 volts capacity, 1 unit lower bed trailer with prime mover, 1 unit backhoe with 0.8 cubic capacity, 3 units dump trucks with 10 cubic capacity, 1 unit chainsaw, 1 unit bulldozer, DX175, 1 unit paint roller LX80-2C with a capacity of 1.5 cubic. One unit water tank or pump, 16,000 liters capacity, 1 unit plate compactor, 5 horsepower capacity, 1 unit motorized roller, 6 LG7108, what with a capacity of 140 horsepower, 1 unit vibratory roller SD100DC with a capacity of 10 metric ton, 2 units concrete vibrator, 1 unit concrete screener, 5.5 horsepower capacity, 1 unit concrete saw, 14 inches blade diameter with a capacity of 7.5 horsepower, 1 unit bar cutter single phase, 1 unit bar cutter single phase, 1 unit 1 bagger fixer, 1 unit backhoe wheel type, 28 cubic meter capacity, and 1 bar bender.
For the equipment requirements, additional notes for the equipment requirements, we require a list of the contractor's major equipment units, which are owned, leased, and or under purchase agreements. must be supported by proof of ownership and certification of availability of equipment from the equipment cluster or vendor for the duration of the project. As the case may be, must meet the minimum requirements for the contract. For minimum materials test, okay. Sorry. For the minimum materials testing equipment requirements, please refer to DPWH PO number 11 dated January 24, 2017 with the subject inclusion of the minimum materials testing equipment and technical component of the bid. For the requirements for the key personnel of the aforementioned project, we require one personnel as project manager, project engineer, accredited materials and quality control engineer, and foreman with 3 minimum years of similar experience in the same position and 5 minimum years of similar and related experience. For the plans or drawings of these projects are already downloadable and made available on the PGF's website. For the Class A documents, there are legal, technical, and financial documents. Legal documents are first the registration certificate from SEC, DTI for the sole proprietorship or CTA for cooperatives. Second, mayor's permit issued by the city or municipality where the principal place of business of the prospective bidder is located. And third, tax return certificate as finally reviewed and approved by the DIR. For technical documents still form part as Class A documents are, first, the pickup or special pickup license in case of joint venture, and in case of JV, a valid special pickup license and registration for the type and cost of the contract for this project is required. Second, records of all its ongoing government and private contracts, including awarded but not yet started projects. And third, records of single largest completed contract or SLCC similar to the contract to be bid. For financial documents, still part of the Class A documents are first the audited financial statement stamped received by the BIR or its duly accredited and authorized institutions, and second, NFCC of at least equal to APC. These comprise the Class A documents. For the Class B documents, Class B documents are only applicable for a joint venture. Thus, joint venture agreement or JPA is required, and each partner of the joint venture shall submit the respective field certificate of registration and the submission of technical and financial eligibility documents by any of the joint venture partners constitute compliance. Provided that the partner responsible to submit the NFCC shall likewise submit the statement of all its ongoing contracts and audited financial statements. For the submission and receipt of bids for the procurement of city work projects. The first envelope for the technical proposals of the bid requires the following documents. Technical proposals, first, the field certificate of registration and membership. Second, the pickup license and registration or special pickup license with JP. Third, statement of all ongoing government and private contracts. Fourth, statement of SLCC. Fifth, NFCC computation. Sixth, JVA if applicable. Seven, omnibus foreign statement. 8, bid security. 9, bid securing with respect form, amount, and validity period. Lastly, the project requirements such as the organizational chart for the contract to be bid, list of contractors' personnel, list of contractors' nature, construction, and laboratory equipment. For the second envelope, where the financial proposals are first, the bid form, second, bid prices and the bill of quantities or BOQ, and third or lastly, the detailed estimate. Fourth, the last fourth is the cash flow by quarter. For the checklist of the technical and financial proposals, we remind bidders that they should attach and comply with prescribed forms attached in our bidding documents, downloadable in DPWH and PGF's websites. For the opening and preliminary examination of bids, the bank shall open the bids in the public at the time on the bid and a place specified in the invitation to bid. The bidder's representatives or liaison officers who are present shall sign and register to evidence their attendance. In case of video conferencing, webcasting, or other similar technologies to be used, the attendance of participants shall likewise be recorded by the bank secretariat. In case the bids cannot be opened as scheduled due to justifiable reasons, the rescheduling requirements under Section 29 of the 2016 revised IRR of RA 9184 shall prevail. For detailed valuation of bids, the procuring entities back shall immediately conduct a detailed evaluation of all bids rated passed using non-discretionary pass or fail criteria. The bank shall consider the conditions in the evaluation of bids under Section 32.2 of the 2016 revised IRR of RA 9184. The financial component of the bids of each past bidder shall be evaluated using non-discretionary criteria, including arithmetical corrections for computation of errors, and thus determine the correct total calculated bid prices. The bank shall automatically disqualify any total calculated bid price which exceeds the ABC. The following factors are to be considered in the evaluation of the bid prices as to its completeness. No price in a required item non-responsive. Indicating A0 or a dash, free to the government. All prices are deemed to include all taxes. Bids not addressing or providing all of the required items and bid documents including where if applicable BOQ shall be considered non-responsive. For the arithmetical corrections, bid prices and figures versus words prevail. Total price per item versus unit price per item, unit price prevails. Total price versus actual sum of component items, actual sum prevails. And unit cost in detailed estimate versus unit in BOQ prevails. And if above ABC is qualified. For post-qualification procedure, within a non-extendable period of 5 calendar days from the receipt by the bidder of the notice from the bank that is submitted, the lowest calculated bid, the bidder shall submit its latest income and business tax returns filed and paid through the VER electronic filing and payment system or EFPS, and other appropriate licenses and permits required by the law and stated in the bids. The bank PWG will verify, validate, and ascertain of all statements made and documents submitted by the bidder. For the legal requirements, the licenses, certificates, permits, agreements, and exclusion in any blacklist. For financial requirements, bid security, bid price proposal, and NFCC. For technical requirements, the key personnel, availability and commitment of major construction equipment, performance in the ongoing government and private contracts, authenticity and correctness of bid security. For the awarding of contract, the contract shall be awarded to the bidders whose bid has been determined to be the lowest calculated and responsive bid or LCRB as a result of the legal evaluation and cost qualification conducted. Contract awards should be made within the bid validity period. For questions and clarifications for the project subject in this PBE conference, are advised to send the letter on or before 18th day of August 2023 and must be addressed to Susan L. Arnonia Arawa, Assistant District Engineer, BAC Chairman, or to Evelyn A. Salinas, OIC Head Procurement Engineer, in our office address at Integrated Cebu First DO at Poblacion, Medellin, Cebu, or email us at electronic bids _ Cebu1 at epwh.gov.ph. Bids must be duly received to the bank secretariat on or before 10 a.m. on the 29th day of August 2023 at the bidding room, second floor, Brgy Building, DPWH Cebu First District Engineering Office, Poblacion, Medellin, Cebu, and must be addressed to Susan L. Arawa, Assistant District Engineer, BAC Chairman, DPWH Cebu First District Engineering Office, Poblacion, Medellin, Cebu. Bidders who wish to submit their bids electronically shall send them to electronicbids_Cebu1@epwh.gov.ph. Guidelines for the electronic submission of bids are detailed in the said EPWH Department Order Number 87 dated September 24, 2020 and contained in the bid data sheet. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Bidders shall submit 2 copies of the first and second components of their bid. The original of the technical proposal shall enclose in one sealed envelope marked as original technical proposal, whereas the original of the financial proposal shall be enclosed in another sealed envelope marked as original financial proposal. Both envelopes shall then be replaced in another single envelope marked as original bid. The other copy of the technical proposal and financial proposal shall be similarly sealed, duly marked as copy number 1, technical proposal, and copy number 1, financial proposal, respectively, and the outer envelope as copy number 1. These envelopes containing the original and copy number 1 shall then be enclosed in one single envelope that shall indicate the name of the contract to be bid. Bear the name and address of the bidder. Be addressed to the procured entity in accordance with ITB Clause 17. Bear the specific identification of this bidding process indicated in the bids, and bear a warning, do not open before the time and date for the opening of bids in accordance with ITB Clause 16. All documents shall be properly signed, tabbed, paginated, and book bounded. That's all for the important things to be informed for this one Cebu project for invitation to bid number 19 of 2023. I will be giving you the floor to our ABAC chairperson, our Assistant District Engineer, Susan Elorno Piarawa, for more information, questions, issues, and concerns for the project subject of this bidding conference. Thank you.
For additional reminder for the prospective bidders, bidders are also directed to observe DPWH Department Order Number 197 dated October 7, 2016 in preparation of financial bid proposal to prevent improper position of existing markups by the prospective contractors. So, in this juncture, the floor is now open for any comments, any clarifications, reactions from the back, or from any prospective bidders in the above mentioned projects being subject for review. So if there's none, a previous conference of contract ID numbers 53, XD 0083, adjourns at exactly 2:16. Thank you and good day, everyone.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, everyone.